Chris here with Canopy Crypto and AI. Today I want to talk about the scariest time of year. No, it's not Halloween, tax season. And how does it affect crypto? Do I have to pay tax on crypto? That is a question I was asking a few months ago when I started doing my taxes, and a lot of people have the same question. So, short answer basically is yes, but there are some nuances. And it also varies by country. So basically, yes, whenever you trade crypto, meaning you sell it, specifically, it triggers a capital gain. And I'm talking firstly in Canada, because it does vary by country. The US is similar, and so is the United Kingdom and some other European countries. So basically, you're going to get a capital gain, and capital gains are taxed at different rates, anywhere from 50% and down to less than that. But it does vary. And there's also, mining crypto. That's something that people do, and they think, oh, well, when I get gains from my mining activities or more crypto, do I pay tax on that? Well, the short answer is no. It's until you sell it that you have to pay tax. But before that, if you're staking crypto, you're getting staking rewards. Like I use BitBuy in Canada, and I get some staking rewards every month, for example, or annually, depending on the crypto. Only when I sell the staked crypto do I have to pay tax. And again, that's basically a capital gain. It's sort of like property. In the US, it's similar to property in that if you are selling crypto, it's a capital gain, and gifting in that case up to $17,000 is tax-free. And then you got to pay tax on it. So the United Kingdom is similar, and there is an exception in Germany where private sales that do not exceed 600 euros are tax exempt. I think that's about $1,000 Canadian. And so that's interesting. Also, if you hold in Germany, if you hold crypto for more than a year, any gains are tax free. That's not true again in North America, but good to know. So something to keep in mind. Like here's a Canadian example. You buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, you sell it for $14,000. Your net gain is $4,000. The capital gains tax is 50%, so you pay $2,000 taxes. So that's basically the gist of it. So know that when you're punching your numbers into QuickBooks, TurboTax, whatever you use for tax software, there is an implication if you sell your crypto. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.